Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the annoying ass thing known as stick drift. Now I have it currently on this controller right here. Bummer, isn't it? Now I'm going to clean it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to clean your controllers too. First step is by opening. I use a Touch Pro controller, so in these they have a button right here. If you push that, it comes out, makes it so much easier. Take the battery out like this. Boom. And I usually take this out too, just because it'd be a pain to keep it in. Don't mind the rolling battery. It's nothing. Okay. Now we got an empty shell of a controller. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's continue. I'm gonna open my drawer with everything I need. Now, all you need is a syringe and some isopropyl alcohol, 99%. And it should be quick drying too. Now, and also a vacuum, handheld vacuum preferably. Let's open this up. And always be careful when handling this stuff. I've used it before, I know what I'm doing, somewhat, but I am also a dumb teenager. So I don't know, I do know, but I also don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Got it? Cool. Take this, oh, and also when you're done washing your hands, take your syringe, just put it in there. Boom. It's a little bit too much. Okay, you don't need too much. Like, this is perfect right here. Boom. Oh, also, there's like a napkin on standby too. Don't want this shit getting on anything. It's bad. Anyway, what you take that isopropyl alcohol, put it right in the joystick. Remember, be careful. I would say don't try this at home, but if you have a VR controller, specifically a Quest controller, this is very useful information. Actually, this is useful information on really any controller, but I just mostly know how to do this because none of my Xbox controllers have ever experienced stick drift. Okay. Alright. And just apply a little bit more. Also, make sure your isopropyl alcohol is fast drying too. Get this out. Let's wipe it off. Wipe the top of the joystick too. Close your isopropyl alcohol. And time for the vacuum. This is gonna get loud. Now, what you need to do is turn on your vacuum. Just turn on your vacuum. Come on. I said turn on your vacuum. Fuck, is it dead? Oh, I should have really checked. Okay, let's plug in. Okay, turn on your vacuum. Okay, let's just wait a little bit. So how's y'all's afternoon? Put it down in the comment section. Like and subscribe, you know, all that shit. Yeah. Hope you've had an amazing day so far. And hopefully a good Christmas break if you're like me and in school. Alright, this should be fine. Really? Okay, it's okay. I can do it in small intervals. Probably better for content anyway. You just suck out all the debris that's in your vacuum and that's in your controller. Yeah, that should be fine. Now, our next step is take your napkin, dry off all the excess alcohol. Wait a little bit, make sure it dries completely. Alright, take your battery, slide it in like so. Take this, slide it in like so. Ah, come on. Come on. Oh, wrong side. I'm stupid. Slide it in like so. Take this and slide it in like so, and boom, you have a functional controller. Yeah, follow for more VR stuff. I don't have a regular posting schedule, so I'm sorry for that, but peace.